right? See here, take note. What is the first point here? If the area of the triangle is maybe sometimes in positive or maybe negative now, take always a absolute value. That is the meaning write down the area of the triangle is always in a positive form, right? The second point is if the three coordinate of the points or maybe 3 points are said to be collinear points, then the determinant becomes what here? Then its determinant becomes what here? 0 now, right? Meaning the first point and the second point and third point are said to be collinear. Then its determinant becomes what? 0 now. Suppose if the determinant is not 0, the points are not in a collinear form now. The points are not in a collinear form, right? Take one example here. They are asked 2 marks questions in the examination. That is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given now, right? Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. Okay. 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1 now, right? We know that what is the first point here? That is 3, 8, right? The first point can be taken as x1, y1 and the second point is minus 4, 2 right? This one can be taken as x2, y2 and the third point is 5, 1. This one can be taken as x3, what here? y3 now. x3, y3, right? They are told find the area of the triangle. We know that the area of the triangle is equal to formula 1 by 2, that is x into what? Y minus y plus of what? X into y minus y plus of what? X into what here? Y minus y, right? 1, 2, 3 confusion. Itadu 1, 2, 3 आगे बराबर, right? Take this 1, 2, 3. 1 becomes 2. 2 becomes what here? 3 now, right? 2 becomes 3. 3 becomes what? 1. 3 becomes 1 and 1 becomes what here? 2 now. This is the what? Area of the triangle formula, right? Take before that is delta is equal to what here? 1 by 2 into they are told x1, y1 1 and x2, y2 1 and x3 what? y3 1 now. By using the expansion we got what? This one the equation now. Idu expansion ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? ಇದು ಬರ್ತದ, right? Okay. Right down. That is delta is equal to what here? Area of the triangle. Okay. Area of triangle. Okay. That is the area of triangle 1 by 2 into now. Right. 1 by 2 into right down x1, x1 y1 1 now. What is x1? 3, 8. Right. 1 now. x2 minus 4, 2, 1. x3 y3 that is 5, 1, 1 now. ಇದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, right? ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, right? Take it is the area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into that is 1 by 2 into x2 now. x1, okay, x1 meaning delete first row first column, that is a 3 into now, right? 3 into okay first row first column, delete first row first column, take 2 ones are 2 minus 1 ones are 1 now, right? Take it is 2 ones are 2 minus 1 ones are 1, right? A12 element is negative, take it is minus 8 into delete first row second column, first row second column, then minus 4 1 5 1 are the elements, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, got up? That is minus 4, right? Plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, 5 ones are 5 now, that is minus 5, right? Next one the A13 element is plus 1 now, take it is plus 1 into delete which row which column? First row third column, then minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus 5 2s are 10. Okay, what is that value there? Minus 4 minus 10. Now close this one, right? That is 1 by 2 into, simplify this one, 3 into 2 minus 1 1 minus 8 into minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 plus 1 into minus 4 minus 5 minus 10 minus 14 now, right? Then that is 1 by 2 into, right, 3 ones are 3 minus into minus plus 8 times are 72 now. Okay, plus into minus minus 14 ones are, that is the 14 now, right? That is 1 by 2 into, right, 72 plus 3 that is 75 minus next one is what here 14, that is 1 by 2 into 75 minus 14 61 now, 1 into 61 that is 61 divided by 2, write down in the square units now, because the area is always in a square unit. So therefore, that is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle for the given question is 61 divided by 2 square units now. Okay, right. Okay. Take up next one, the exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the area of the triangle with the vertices at the point given in each of the following. They are given totally 3 questions here. Right? Find the area of the triangle from the what is given 3 questions. Right? Take up the first question is a solution. Okay. Solution. What is the first question here? 1, 0 and 6, 0 and that is 4, 3 are the 3 points now. Right? Wait for the problem solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Next one, we know that 1, 0 can be written as what? x1, y1, x1, y1. Right? 6, 0 can be taken as x2, y2 and 4, 3 can be taken as x3, what? y3 now. x3, y3. Right? Already we know that that is area of triangle is equals to formula, that is 1 by 2 into what? x1, y1, 1 and x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1 now. x3, y3, 1. Right? Again, by the expansion of the given term, then area of the triangle becomes what? Area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into, right, x, right, next y minus y, okay, plus x into what here, y minus y, plus of what, x into what here, y minus y. Right? Topic difficult ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ, right? 1 2 3 1 becomes 2 2 becomes what here, 3, okay, 2 becomes 3 3 becomes 1, okay, 3 becomes 2 3 becomes 1 and 1 becomes what here, 2 now. This is the what area of the triangle formula. Right? Take up, okay, area of the triangle is equals to now, okay, area of the triangle is equals to, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into now. Right? What is x1? x1 1 0 1, x1 y1 is over, x2 y2 6 0 1. Right? x3 y3 4 3 1 4 3 1. Right? Now expand this one, that is 1 by 2 into, right, what is x1? 1 now, 1 into, delete first row first column, then 1 0 1 3 1 elements are there, 0 into 1 0 minus 3 1s are 3, okay, plus of what here, x2 now, x2 meaning 0, okay, 0 into, delete first row first column, 6 1s are 6 4 1s are 4, that 6 minus 4 plus of what, x3 meaning that is 1 into y1 minus y2, delete first third column, y1 minus y2, 6 3s are 18 minus 4 zeros are 0, that is 18 minus 0 now. Right? Minus okay, next one, the positive L, that is 1 by 2 into, that is 1 into 0 minus 3 minus 3 plus 0 into anything, it becomes 0 now. Right? Next one, Sridevi. Right? 1 into, that is 18 minus 0, that is 18 only. Right? Then 1 by 2 as it is 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, okay, plus of what here, 18 was 18 now. Right? Then 1 by 2 as it is into 18 minus 3, 18 minus 3 15, but 1 into 15 divided by 2, 15 divided by 2, that is a square units for the what, question number 1. That is area of the triangle is equals to 15 by 2 square units. Okay, right on. Okay, right, take up the question number 2. What are the points here? 2, 7, 1, 1 and 10, 8 now. Right? Take up the 2, 7 can x1, y1 and 1, 1 as what here, x2, y2 and 10 comma 8 is equal to what here? x3 comma y3 now, right? Already we know that the area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2, this one now, right? Keep 1 by 2 as it is the x1 comma y1 1 now, x1 y1 2 7 1, x2 y2 1 1 1, x3 y3 that is a 10 8 1 now, 10 8 1. We know that the area of the triangle is again this one now, right? Take up 1 by 2 as it is into x1 meaning that is 2 now, 2, right, into y2 minus y3. Did first column 1 1 1, that is minus y3 now, y3 is what here 8, okay, plus of what x2, what is x2, that is 1, okay, y3 minus y1, y3 8 minus y1 7, that is 8 minus 7 plus of what x3 is what here, that is 10 into, right, ena bodi baga first third column, right, that is 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1 now, right, that is 1 by 2 into 2 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 plus of what here, 1 into 8 minus 1 7 1 plus 10 into 8 minus 7 minus 1, that is 6 now, right? Then 1 by 2 as it is into plus into minus minus 2 7 14 plus 1 1 1, okay, plus 10 6 that is 16 now, right? That is 1 by 2 into minus 14 now plus of what 61 now, right? Then 1 by 2 as it is into 61 minus 14 47, is 47 plus 47, so therefore 47 divided by 2 what here, that is a square units now, that is a square units of answer now, right? Okay, right. Right up, take up the last question is, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Minus 2 comma minus 3 first point up, second point 3 comma 2, and the third point is what? Minus 1, that is minus 8 now, right? First point minus 2 comma minus 3 can be taken as what? x1 comma y1, and the second point 3 comma 2 can be written as x2 comma y2, and the third point minus 1 comma minus 8 written as x3 comma y3 now. Right up, we know that the formula, that is area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2, this one now, right? On the terms here 1 by 2 x1 y1 minus 2 minus 3 1, x2 y2 3 2 1, x3 y3 minus 1, that is minus 8 1 now, right? We know that the area of the triangle is again this one now, right? Substitute the values here. 1 by 2 as it is into x1 minus 2 into y2 minus y3, y2 that is 2 minus y3 minus of minus ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ plus 8i, okay, plus of what here x2 what 3 into y3 minus y1 minus 8, okay, minus y1 minus into minus becomes what here plus 3, okay, x3 is what minus here, this one is plus now, plus into minus, okay, minus 1 into y1 minus y2 minus 3, okay, minus y2, that is 2 now, 2, right? Then 1 by 2 into, that is minus 2 into 2 plus 8 10 plus 3 into minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 now. Then 1 by 2, right, into minus into plus minus 2 10s are 20 minus into plus minus 5 3s are 3 5s are 15 minus into minus plus 1 5s are 5 now, right? Then 1 by 2 as it is okay, minus 20 minus 15 minus 35 plus of what here 5 now, right? That is 1 by 2 as it is into minus 35 plus 5 minus 35 plus 5 minus 30 now correct is equals to cancel it up 2 1 are 2 15s are that is minus 15 right. I am already told the area is always in a positive form correct. The minus 15 convert or maybe take this modulus that is minus 15 becomes what here plus 15 what here square units now. Okay find out. Right. My channel name is Maths Learning Classes. The name is what here handled by at Prabhlinga Matta 8614. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.